XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to analyze XRP versus Bitcoin. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move here, we mentioned if we prefer to price to drop and break the previous low, because we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and exactly this is what we get. And that's why then we mentioned if in case there is a continuation from here, the option if you want to look for trade having entry above this, or we wait for the breakout of this, we get the flag, we can look for trade. But I was keep mentioning the price can drop, and this is what we get. All right, because we mentioned we're looking for the deeper correction. Anyway, from now we're looking for buy. First of all, we move to higher time frame. We want to know what we have and how we can look for trade. If we move to daily chart, right now, as we can see, based on daily chart, the price almost near to the previous stop based on daily. Now, we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. All right, that's why if we want to look for buy above the stop, we need to be quite careful. Okay. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. We move to lower time frame based on forward chart. This is what we're looking for. Any trade from here with the breakout of this top, the previous top we're looking for, we are more interested. But the question is how deep this one can be. As we can see, almost we have a 3 waves. That means from now, any trade setup, we will take the trade. Can we expect this one give us an internal flat or one more drop? Still we can expect. That's why if we move to 1 hour chart, if we want to look for trade, can we say this is the start of the up move? Even if the price continue from here, we cannot trade this because based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. How about if I move to 15 minute? I don't think so. Right now we have a trade setup unless this one turn to a correction. All right. In that case, we can put in relative to this. Then how we can look for trade? First of all, how we can look at this chart. The first thing is still we can expect this one to give us one more drop. All right. But we don't need to wait for the price to drop. Any reversal from now, we can look for trade. Okay. The first thing is either price from here drop or even the reverse from here. Any sharp move flag, we will take the trade. Or if he wants to have entry, we can put the over entry above this in case price sharply continue. But if this one tend to a correction, give us one more drop, then we can shift the entry above this correction. Okay. And even if we put our line here, okay, we can see again this lines is indicative. If the price continue from here, wait for the breakout flag, we take the trade, or we can having entry above this. But having entry above this or either here or here, it depends on the traders. What we want to price break and continue with a sharp move. If the price continue as a corrective, we are not going to take the trade by having entry. Okay, we are not looking for the sharp move. Still, we can expect this one even to turn to a correction for the bigger flat, internal flat. Okay, anyway, either the price drop, reverse, or sharply continue from here, we look for trade, or we can have entry above either above this top or here. It depends on the traders and how they can manage it. But if we want to have entry above the top, what we want the price break and continue. If the price tag which is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. Already we have flat. We can any reversal we can look for buy. Okay, but the only question is the way this one is moving may still we can expect this one tend to a deeper correction. Anyway, any reversal from now we will take the trade. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.